Hello, food historians! Welcome back to another episode where we're embarking on a festive journey exploring the history and evolution of a Christmas classic, the Yule Log Cake, or as the French say, Bûche de Noël. But before we dig into the sweet layers of this traditional treat, let me hit you with a burning question. Have you ever wondered why we celebrate Christmas with a dessert shaped like a log? Stick around and subscribe as we uncover the fascinating story behind the Yule Log Cake, from its humble beginnings to the present day. Our journey begins in ancient times, where the concept of the Yule log has deep pagan roots. In various cultures, burning a large log symbolized the triumph of light over darkness during the winter solstice. But how did this ancient tradition transform into a delectable dessert? Believe it or not, the edible Yule log can be traced back to medieval Europe, where families would gather large logs, decorate them, and then proceed to burn them in the fireplace. But here's where it gets interesting. Our journey through the history of the Yule log cake takes a delightful turn in the 19th century, thanks to the creativity of French pâtissiers. This is where the Yule log transcends its humble origins, becoming not just a symbolic centerpiece but a delicious and edible work of art. Picture this: bustling French patisseries adorned with charming decorations, where talented bakers took the ancient tradition of burning logs and transformed it into a delectable masterpiece. No longer reserved for the fireplace, these culinary artists began crafting cake versions of the Yule log, incorporating the finest ingredients and meticulous craftsmanship. It wasn't just a dessert, it was an expression of culinary artistry. The 19th century Yule log cakes were a sight to behold, adorned with marzipan mushrooms, delicate meringue snow, and intricate frosting patterns. Each creation was a testament to the skill and imagination of the bakers, turning a simple log into a festive and mouth-watering experience. But the influence of the Yule log cake didn't stop within the borders of France. As French culture and cuisine spread globally, so did the love for this enchanting holiday treat. From Europe to North America, the Yule log cake became a symbol of celebration and togetherness. Families began incorporating this sweet tradition into their Christmas festivities, creating a global phenomenon that transcended cultural boundaries. What started as a way to symbolize the warmth of the hearth during the winter solstice evolved into a confectionery celebration of artistry and tradition. Bakers across generations continued to pass down their skills, ensuring that the Yule log cake remained not only a delicious dessert, but a link to our culinary heritage. As the Yule log cake gained popularity, it didn't take long for it to spread its wings and travel across borders. Each culture added its unique touch, turning this festive dessert into a reflection of diverse tastes and traditions. In Sweden, it's known as the kladdkaka, a rich and gooey chocolate cake that captures the essence of the Yule log. Meanwhile, in Spain, the tronco de Navidad takes center stage, offering a Spanish twist to this global culinary celebration. The kladdkaka often features layers of chocolate and almond flour, creating a dense and indulgent treat. On the other hand, the tronco de Navidad might surprise you with flavors like orange or coffee, showcasing the diverse interpretations of the Yule log. But the global influence doesn't stop there. In various parts of Europe, you might encounter Yule log cakes infused with regional flavors. Think marzipan and cherry in Germany or hazelnut and chestnut in Italy. It's a true celebration of culinary diversity. Across the Atlantic, North America embraced the Yule log cake with open arms. In the United States and Canada, you'll find variations that incorporate local ingredients like maple syrup or pecans, adding a touch of North American flair to this European tradition. What's truly fascinating is how the Yule log cake, in its various forms, became not just a dessert, but a cultural symbol. It represents the joy of coming together, sharing delicious moments, and honoring the richness of our diverse culinary heritage. In the modern era, the Yule log cake has undergone a delightful metamorphosis. Bakers have taken the basic concept and turned it into a canvas for culinary innovation, pushing the boundaries of flavor, design, and presentation. Picture this: Yule log cakes adorned with exotic flavors, such as matcha, chai, or even lavender-infused cream. The modern Yule log is a testament to the adventurous palates of today's food enthusiasts. Have you ever seen a Yule log with layers of salted caramel or a decadent pistachio filling? The flavor possibilities are as endless as our imagination. But it's not just about flavor. The Yule log cake has embraced dietary preferences as well. From vegan and gluten-free variations to those catering to specific allergies, the modern Yule log is as inclusive as it is delicious. And let's talk about presentation. Bakers today are not only masters of flavor but also artists, creating Yule log cakes that are almost too beautiful to eat. Edible gold leaf, intricate chocolate decorations, and even avant-garde interpretations, the modern Yule log is a feast for the eyes as much as the palate. In the age of social media, the Yule log cake has become a star on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. Bakers and enthusiasts share their creations, inspiring a global community of Yule log aficionados. So, whether you're a traditionalist savoring the classic Yule log or an adventurer exploring the latest trends, one thing is clear. The Yule log cake continues to bring joy, warmth, and a touch of magic to our holiday celebrations. And there you have it, foodstorians, the Yule log cake, a sweet journey through time that brings us together every Christmas season. If you enjoyed this exploration into the history of the Bûche de Noël, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our culinary adventures. Until next time, happy exploring and happy holidays from Foodstorian. Remember, every dish has a story. Let's uncover them together. Cheers!